Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients. And today you and I together with this incredible chef will be making taco salad.
I'm going to make this quick and easy for all of us. I'm going to break it down to 3 simple steps. First, we're going to season our protein. Second, we're going to make our salad. And third, we're going to make our salad dressing.
Awesome. Are you ready?
Let's get started. Step 1. Seasoning the protein. I'm going to be doing the beef. For the beef, you will need grass-fed beef, onion, cilantro, taco seasoning, and black beans. My beef is halfway cooked, so I'm now going to add in some of my onions, my taco seasoning, some black beans, and a little bit of fresh cilantro. Going to give this a little flip. And now I'm going to let that cook for a few minutes longer. My mom is now going to show you how to season the chicken. For the chicken, you will need chicken, of course, olive oil, and taco seasoning.
So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the bottom of my pan. When using olive oil, only cook at about medium heat, which is best. And I'm going to add my chicken. I have 4 chicken breasts here that are cubed, cut into cubes. And what we're going to do is we're going to saute this until it's cooked, flip it over, and add a little bit of seasoning. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle the Keys Ingredients taco seasoning right over top of the chicken. I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons here for the 4 breasts of chicken that I have in here. Smells good already. Once you have your seasoning on, go ahead and just stir it around. The chicken is going from pink to white. And whenever you serve chicken, you want to make sure it at least is 160 degrees. When it's cut this small, very easy just to cut one of these cubes in half. Make sure that it's white all the way through. You're good to go.
Step 2. Assembling the salad.
This is the fun part, where everybody gets to pick and choose what they like. Top that salad with all kinds of fresh ingredients, like tomatoes and cucumbers, onions, bell peppers, poblano peppers, avocado, fresh cilantro, the list goes on and on.
Step 3. Salad dressing. We're going to make our own.
Here's what we're going to need. Some olive oil, apple cider vinegar, cilantro, jalapeno, lime, garlic, a little bit of Himalayan salt. Let's get started, Bella. Hand me the olive oil. I've already got my lime juice in this bowl.
Okay.
Awesome. I'm just going to whisk this in. Next can be the vinegar. Great job. The order really does not matter from here, so go ahead. There's a jalapeno. Little spice. The more jalapeno you add, the spicier it gets. A little bit of garlic and cilantro. Wonderful. Put that all in, sweetheart.
Oh.
Good job. Awesome. So you can serve this chunky as is, or you can go ahead and put it in a magic bullet or a blender. One other option I have for you. Thank you. We almost forgot the salt. One other option is definitely to throw a half of an avocado in the blender with this and make it creamy cilantro dressing. Time to accessorize. Isabella, what are you using?
Some pumpkin seeds. They add a great crunch.
Yes, they do. And for those of you who like cheese, go ahead and add some cheese. If week 1 and week 2, we want to substitute with hard-boiled egg, grated, the egg white, same texture as cheese, it works great. And just like that, guys,
Dinner's ready.